Howdy. Welcome back to One Rental at a Time. I'm here in Las Vegas at the Center for the Blind for the 2026 event with Logan, who is a little bit younger than me. And so I have some questions I'd like to ask you. First, what brought you to the event? Was it fear of your dad, or were you actually interested?
I was interested.
Okay.
I've been helping out my dad with his properties. So,
Okay. What's that like?
I mean, crawl under a house, do some change switches,
Okay.
little plumbing.
So you know how switches work.
Yeah.
You know how some of the plumbing works, right?
Mhm.
That's more than most people.
Yeah.
What's been the worst job that you helped him with?
I helped with ground cleanup for a roof, but I got paid. So,
Yeah. It's nice to be able to make money. That's good. So, do you know anybody who owns rentals other than your parents?
I mean, the people I've met this weekend at this event.
Weekend? Okay, yeah. So before this is really your exposure to.
Yeah, my parents, they've had properties, but
Okay.
really.
What do you think is more important, owning a house or owning rentals?
That's a hard one. I would say own the house because you have more I guess like potential, and well, you have that asset earlier,
Right.
And that's getting paid.
Okay. So there's a couple hundred people here.
Yeah.
None of them would be able to agree on that answer. So that is a very hard one to answer. Half of them would be like, I want to buy a house. Half of them would be like, I want to buy a rental. So that's a very hard question to answer. You did good. A math question. Do you know what inflation is?
It's the worth of the dollar decreasing.
Okay. So if a bottle of water costs $1 today,
Mhm.
and inflation is 3%, how much will it cost next year?
$1.03.
There you go. Ask adults that question that you run into. Almost all of them can't do it. So good job. How do you plan on making money in the next 5 years?
I want to see if I can get like a construction job, like helping out. Like I'm gonna be 18 as a senior, so electrician's helper would be
That's
pretty
great.
ideal job.
That the trades right now is where everybody's making their money. Something, AI is a long ways away from replacing somebody coming and swapping out electric at your house.
Mm-hmm.
Do you think real estate investing is risky?
I don't think it's risky, but people will go into it without doing the math. But if the number's number, then it'll work out.
Do you plan on owning rentals in the future?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Getting a job as an electrician, which pays a lot
Mm-hmm.
and can be interesting work. What do you think would be more fun or a better life for you? To work 40 years and then retire in 60, 70 years old with Social Security and retirement accounts, or to buy rentals and then choose if you work or not?
I think I'd want the freedom to choose.
The freedom to choose. Okay. Almost everybody that you'll ever meet chooses the other way.
Mm-hmm.
You're here at this event where all of these people are choosing the rental route, but most of the people you interact with, especially when you start working with other electricians, they'll say things like, you're crazy, it's risky, it's gambling, whatever their negative things are. Starting out, so this would be like the last question. So you're starting out. What do you think is the hardest thing? What makes it hard to learn about this?
I think it's the fear that it's gambling, but it's not. Mr. Hartman, he presented here and he was talking about how it's historically the best asset class to invest in, and it's just, if as long as you don't skip the step of doing the math and making sure your investments are going to work, then you should be fine. I mean, there can always be something crazy, but
Right.
if there's a recession or something humongous like the Depression,
Right.
No, if you're invested or not, you're kind of getting hit. So
So if a recession or a depression hits, the person who only has their job is at the most risk. The person who has a job, has a few rentals, has multiple ways of money coming in, they might lose their job. They might not have a tenant not pay, but you have more sources of income there. Okay. Yeah, it's really hard to get started into this because there's so many places to get information from. It doesn't hurt to have a dad who's investing in this, who's bringing you along the way and showing you this kind of stuff. Thanks for coming out and sharing some information with us. I hope that you take this event and do something with it in the future. This was a weekend where you had an opportunity to talk to people from all different kinds of life, and you're not going to get a lot of time with these kind of people outside of these events. It's going to be all of the people who say, "Don't do it. Get a good job. Get good grades." They're going to tell you to go to college. So it's awesome to see somebody making smart decisions so young. Thank you.